everybody, and welcome back to another video of Minecraft. After a week and a half or something like that, we are back with some volcano block, guys. Yes, it is finally back. It has been way too long since I played this. Um, I haven't been on the server for over a week. Not that anybody has come on, but that's a side thing. That's not important. So, something I do remember and haven't looked in is that this cobblestone. If you guys remember, this cobblestone just like popped out the lava and got thrown all over my island. Still don't know what it is. I haven't looked into it actually because, as you guys know, I have been way too busy. Um, so maybe we'll find some more today in this episode, and otherwise we will see. Um, so I actually don't remember what I have been doing. I know I finished this one and got to work on this one. So I think I'll just start on See the Lives? See the Life? Oh, yeah, I've been working on this. I remember now. I do remember now. I've been working on this trying to get those crystals, which are pretty annoying to get. Because you need a certain type, and that's also why I had them in the inventory, I think. So, these are the ones I got. And this is the Shard of Living World. I think that's the one I need. Yes. And I'll need a shard of the Root of Life. By throwing a crystal on the ground. Oh yeah. That's how you got it. So some stone dust. Let's see if I actually have some stone. I do. Just throw that and do that. I believe that should be enough. Okay, so we got that mass. We'll need that cord. Oh, that's there. Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, I do remember. Let's start planting some more of these. Let's see if I have some dirt. I don't. So don't have that much weed. Do I have some weed in there? I do. Here I don't. So let's just harvest some weed and make a few of these farms just so it could go faster because it's going pretty slow. So it's a really grindy thing, block or item to get, I think. And you just gotta get lucky. Let's see how far I'll come with this. It's 9 blocks. I need one more block and then I can make 2 fields. So that should do it. Okay, it is actually kind of way too hard to record right now, but yeah, I promised you guys, I promised, and I mostly of the time do what I promised, as long as I didn't forget my promise, which happens actually quite often. Way too often, actually. Then I would like. Need some quick stone, cobblestone. Um, Darn it. Okay, so let's do it this, 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 and this. Just make a little platform around it. Here, another line, and then go like yeah, that, 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 that. Just need one more block now and a few cobblestone. Okay, just gonna grab a few blocks. And then I'll see what I'll do, how many I'll need. Um, yeah, I think I'll have enough with this. Just need one more grass. Put that up there. Lit up as much as possible. Add, and for a fact, no, I got some of these seeds. Just need one more. Do I have one more? I don't. Oh, no, I got one more. Let's just grow them all. Let's try to put a bucket of water actually in the middle of it. Maybe that would help with the growth. Plus I noticed this plant grows way faster than these plants do, so maybe it'll help. I want to have like 20-ish of this. I would love to have a stack, but That's just going to be way too much. Quickly had to plug in my headset because it was almost empty. Okay, got now around 15, 16. $20. Okay. So this gotta like go like that. And this goes like that. Um, this goes in the middle. Got some of that. And then I'll only need the other block or thing when used. Yeah, but how do you get it? Oh, it's stone dust and mysterious dust. So let's grab some more mysterious dust. And there are some stone left. I barely have. Okay, now I have some stone. And with that, that's also done. Let's put it like that. Okay, and I believe I had to smelt this. Yeah. So let's in the meantime try to get some more of that stuff. I just noticed you get multiple of that dust thingy ish. Some more. Oh, not the glass. I gotta do this. Oh, I need the crystals. With that, I should have enough. Oh, I think I do. Hold up, let's just take everything out and There's another shard over here. Let's just do this till everything is gone. Oh wait, that doesn't do anything. Oops. Okay, the very, very last one. Okay, what did I need? Shard of the root of life and living world. So that one and that one. Okay, the rest could go in there. Okay. Another crystal. It's fine. Well, we will have the materials for that, I believe. It was this, that, and that, I believe. That was in the four corners. That was there, and there. Just need to smelt one more. Okay, that is being fixed. And then I'll need 2 grass blocks. Luckily, they've grown. So that goes over there. I believe that one goes under, and that one goes on top of it. Let's just do that, and put you in the middle. Oh, they have to be. Okay, do you just plant this, or what do you do with it? This is the part where you get trees. Okay. Right click on the ground to breathe life. So what they are saying is it is a radius of 3 blocks. So let's make 9 by 9. Let's just try to get. And yes, I did saw the surface restarting in a few minutes, so I gotta be fast. Luckily, wheat doesn't grow that slow. $36. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's see, where did my hoe go? Oh, oops. You don't go there. Did I do have a pickaxe. So, okay, I'll fix that field for tomorrow, for the next episode. I believe that's tomorrow or otherwise somewhere. Somewhere in these days. Yeah? So let's actually go to the next quest. Oh, you'll need wood for the next few quests. I believe you also need wood for this. Yeah. Okay, this is a short episode, Van, but the server's gonna restart soon, and it's gonna be a big grind to get that field. So um, I promise next episode we will do a lot of questing. Well, I won't promise it, but I'll try my best. Yeah. Okay, so thank you all for watching very, very much. I will try to keep posting videos and not to get breaks. When I'm not on a break, actually. So don't forget to follow to see all the next episodes coming in. I'll try to post 7 days a week with House Flipper and Minecraft. I'm at this point really just doing a bit of moving around and stuff like that with recording and stuff, because a great friend of mine is also making a series with me, so keep an eye out for that. Um, so again, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to follow or leave a like or both. That would be wonderful. And see y'all next time. Bye.